Hey there, Buddy looks great. His coat is shiny and well-maintained, his eyes are clear, and his posture is upright. Keep up the good work with his care.
Hi there. It's completely normal for Buddy to sleep like this. He's just finding a comfortable and relaxing position. Keep an eye on him, but there's no need to worry.
Hi there, it sounds like Buddy is not his usual self and needs some attention. Please schedule a vet visit within the next 24 hours to get him checked out. In the meantime, make sure he stays comfortable and hydrated. Order in the court! This feather fiasco requires immediate attention.
Your Honor, Buddy tore apart our client's pillows, leaving a feathery crime scene.
But, Your Honor, it was merely an innocent case of puppy exuberance.
I just wanted to play.
Buddy, did you consult the Pillow Destruction Act before your fluffy rampage? Your Honor, in the case of Woof versus Fluff, the court ruled in favor of canine curiosity.
We rest our case, Your Honor.
Buddy, you're off the hook this time. Case dismissed.